The HexArmor Safety 101 series provides straightforward education on industrial safety standards and testing methods, so you can make an informed decision when it comes to choosing hand and body PPE. At HexArmor, worker safety is always our #1 priority, and that includes impact protection. Adding impact protection to gloves is a fairly new idea, but in under a decade since the introduction of impact guards, there are now literally hundreds of gloves marketing impact resistance. Today we're going to take a look at impact resistance and make some sense of what can be a confusing feature to add to your PPE. The biggest problem facing both manufacturers and end users today is the lack of official industry standards that measure impact resistance. The ASTM D2632 test has been used to help explain impact resistance. However, it does not calculate the amount of force dampened by the impact resistance of a glove, which is a key factor for hand protection. This test measures the rebound of material by dropping a small metal ball onto the impact material and calculating how high the ball rebounds. This test doesn't factor in the force that would be transferred through to the hand, which is really a major factor to workers and safety managers when selecting impact-resistant PPE. HexArmor has made significant efforts utilizing standards existing on the market as well as developing new ways of testing our own impact-resistant products in order to benchmark against the competition. One method we used is dropping a consistent weight onto a pressure-sensitive film, which focuses on the immediate impact transfer to the hand. The second method we have used is called load cell sensor testing, which determines both the amount of force felt through the glove as well as the length of time that force is felt. This is important because the longer an impact takes to deliver the force, the less it is felt on the hand. This helps us understand the correlation between time and force and what that means for potential injuries. Currently, HexArmor is working with an independent laboratory to create impact testing that is measurable, repeatable, and meaningful to the end user and the entire industry. In addition to testing, consider the materials used in potential impact protection. Some manufacturers only use a layer of foam or gel in their gloves. The problem with these materials is they can break down in a matter of hours depending on the hazards present or fluids they come in contact with. So having an impact-resistant glove that holds up over the entire life cycle of the glove is very important. At HexArmor, we recommend running field trials to determine the best long-term impact solution for your workers. Where does that leave you? Well, here are some things that you should look for when purchasing an impact-resistant glove. Does the glove have complete impact coverage with few or no gaps from the back of the hand all the way to the fingertips? Some gaps may be required for dexterity, but an impact-resistant glove shouldn't have large gaps that would allow an object to meet your hand directly. Also, the softness or durometer of the impact pads is also important. The softer they are, the more they flex and divert the blow away from your hand. Softness in impact protection also gives you dexterity. The height of the impact-resistant guards also plays a factor in protection. In Hex Lab testing, taller impact-resistant guards performed better when using pressure-sensitive tape and our load sensor tests. The fact that the guards are taller creates a larger distance between the object and the user's hand. HexArmor incorporates all of these factors into a striking design that delivers the ultimate impact protection while maintaining high dexterity. If you have any questions about impact testing, impact-resistant glove performance, or any other safety-related issues, please contact your local HexArmor sales representative today. Thanks, and have a safe day.